Hello guys. Sushant Singh Rajput's death has been going on in the headlines for almost 2 months now. And the Supreme Court has given a verdict today that the FIR filed in the Patna police is correct and the jurisdiction of the case will be in Patna. The CBI will take over the case now and the Maharashtra government and Mumbai police will have to comply with whatever the CBI has to say. And also all the evidences that has been collected by the Mumbai police till now will have to be submitted to the CBI. And today in this video, I just want to talk about a few doubts that a very common man has regarding this case. It is not that I want to go deep into the case, and there are many people who have got lot more in the name of video evidences and then claiming many theories like it could be this, it could be that. But I just don't want to go into so many details. I just want to ask with very plain facts as to what is going on in the world regarding this case and what are the very minimalistic doubts a very common man has regarding Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The very first doubt is that this is a very popular case and a very popular actor has been murdered or death by suicide, but till now it has been nearly 2 months and no FIR has been filed by the Mumbai police. The second doubt that has been raised by many people in the social media is that why was Sushant Singh taken to Cooper Hospital? This place has been making rounds for a very long time. So there has been a lot of questions going on regarding this hospital, and the people in social media have been asking for a very long time as to why he was not taken to any of the hospitals that were nearby and why particularly to this hospital. The third doubt is that the media trying to portray the idea of mental illness. It is no doubt that many people in the high profile business or high profile actors, they face a lot of mental illness, a lot of pressure and a lot of psychological problems. They do undergo treatment. But then the doubt comes here that why is media trying to pressurize this fact and then put this idea into the minds of the people? Why they do not want to go into even the slightest angle of as to why this case could be a murder, why this cannot be a suicide. They don't even want to take such angle, and they are trying to portray this to be completely a suicide and completely due to mental illness, and only this fact is being pushed by the media into the minds of the people. So this is the third doubt that a very common man has, why the media is too much into this mental illness debate and why do they want to portray Sushant Singh's death as a case of only mental illness and not even have the slightest doubt that it could be a murder. The entire media connections of the Bollywood network and their entire PR machinery has been working 24/7 to prove that it is a case of mental illness and it is a suicide. The entire Bollywood network, not even one great Bollywood biggie has come out in open asking the police or asking the government to go into a fair investigation, or they have even a very slight doubt that how come this guy, a genius of this breed, could suicide. Nobody even had a very slight doubt that this could be a murder or it should go on to a fair investigation. This could also be because of very big names of the ruling circle that has been going on in and around this case. And also I personally feel that this mental illness debate has been too much, and too much debate on this mental illness and trying to thrust this idea upon the minds of the people has actually backfired, and that is why more and more people came out in the social media and wanted a very fair investigation regarding Sushant's death. For nearly 2 months this debate has been going on completely in the social media, and no common man is ready to believe that he was mentally ill and then he died by suicide. So this PR stunt by the entire Bollywood network, I think, has genuinely backfired, and that is why it has gone to the Supreme Court and now into the hands of CBI. There were many cases filed in Bihar regarding Sushant's death because Sushant belonged to Bihar, and the general public and many felt that the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government is not trying to do any justice to this case. There are many cases that were filed in Bihar, and the Bihar police had actually sent an IPS officer named Vinay Tiwari to go into investigation to Mumbai. The moment he landed in Mumbai, he was not allowed to investigate. The Mumbai police did not help him in any investigation, and at one point of time he was quarantined in a particular place, and the reason given by the Mumbai police for his quarantine was that it was because of COVID-19, and then he has travelled all the way from Bihar, and so he has been quarantined. No help was given from the Mumbai police to Vinay Tiwari IPS regarding to this case. The sixth and seventh doubt that the entire social media has been asking is that the postmortem report mentions the cause of death to be asphyxia, which is the lack of oxygen in the lungs, and the death is due to that. Nowhere it has been mentioned that it is actually a case of suicide, and also it is mentioned particularly in the postmortem report that the viscera has been sent for medical examination and the report is being awaited. The next important reason is that a few days before Sushant's death, his manager named Disha, she was also dead. The point here to be noted is that another friend of Sushant, he was also dead a few days back. So a continuous line of 3 deaths of people who are connected to each other also gives a very big doubt in the minds of the people, and that is why this struggle has been going on in social media for almost 2 months for a very fair investigation. One more important reason is that the name of Aditya Thackeray, the son of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going on in rounds with respect to this case. And we all know that a person with a very high profile name and a very high profile network and one who is in power can do anything to malign the investigation. So when the entire government is in their hands, there could also be a possibility that the investigation will not be fair, and then there could be a chance that in case if many actual names come up, the entire government could be in trouble. And also we should note that this government is a coalition government of 3 important parties in Maharashtra, and they have come to power after a very long time. So whatever be the case, in case if things are actually true, we all know that everybody will try to save their face first and also to save the government. The next reason is of Riya Chakraborty. It is alleged that, and in fact she herself has claimed that she is the girlfriend of Sushant, and then she was living with him for a very long time in the same house. And she also gave statements that Sushant was mentally ill and she was only giving the medications to him. And the point to be noted here is that a few days before the death of Sushant, she had to leave his house and he was not along with her. So I just want to know that you know that your boyfriend is mentally ill and you have been giving medications to him, and you are the closest person to him and you are the only one who is taking care of him. In such a scenario, why will someone even leave him knowing that he is mentally ill? And why will someone let him suffer even for a single day, that knowing that he is already mentally ill and then he has to be taken care of? The next doubt again that is going on in social media is that Riya had actually come out in open and asked for a very fair investigation by the CBI. And soon after, when the case was taken to the Supreme Court, there she had given a statement that she did not want investigation by CBI. These are 2 contradictory statements. And in fact, the Supreme Court itself had asked Riya as to why are you contradicting your own statements, because you yourself asked a very fair investigation and wanted the CBI to inquire in the first place, and now after so many days you yourself do not want the CBI investigation. And it was only one Bollywood biggie, Kangana, who had come out in support of this entire campaign by the general public in social media, and it was only her who wanted a very fair investigation and the complete truth to come out. No other Bollywood biggie who has a substantial amount of influence among the Indian public came out in open and asked for a fair investigation. This itself shows that how the Bollywood network does not want to come out in open and go for a very fair investigation. And we all know that Kangana is always on one side and the others, everybody is on the other side. The last thing here is that the DGP of Bihar Police, Gupteshwar Pandey, has told recently in a TV interview that the Mumbai police were not cooperating with them in this case, and he felt there was something suspicious. So a chief police officer of such a big journey, who has such a lot of experience, tells to the media in public that he finds something suspicious, actually means that there is something suspicious. And that is why the general public and also The entire people in social media have been asking for a very fair CBI inquiry for a very long time, and today, since the Supreme Court itself has told that it will be a court monitored CBI inquiry, I feel that everything will come into place and we will get to know what actually happened. We will know the truth soon. I want to declare here that these are not my very own views, or these questions were not prepared by me in order to make this video. I just wanted to tell you that these questions have been going on in the social media for a very long time, and the general public, the people, have been wanting to know the reasons for these questions. These questions have to be answered in order to know the truth. I have just compiled them and then produced them as a video here. There are lot more questions and lot more evidences and lot more conspiracy theories that have been coming out every day, and people of even very high caliber and very high advocates have been giving so many other reasons as to why it could be like this or it could be like that. Let us wait and know what is exactly the truth. In case if you found this video to be interesting, please give it a like and then share it with your friends. If you have any other doubts or any other conspiracy theories that have been going on in the social media, please do comment them in the comment section below. And please subscribe to our channel. We will be giving you more interesting facts in many more videos that are supposed to come. Thank you.